Base pigment line for eyebrows, Essential. Roasted Chestnut, warm dark red-based shade. Bitter Chocolate, neutral dark yellow-based shade. Ripe Wheat, neutral light yellow-based shade. Gray Harbor, neutral light yellow-based shade. Freckle, light ginger red-based shade. It works great as a corrector. You can use it to create freckles. Cinnamon Sticks, warm light red-yellow based shade. Flat White, warm dark red-yellow based shade. Pepsi Cola, cool dark red-yellow based shade. The darkest shade in the brow range. Perfect for accents and hair strokes. These pigments are highly opaque. For light shading and strokes, we recommend using the Diluent. Thanks to Carbon Cut, even the densest fill heals naturally. With the Essential Pigment Set, you can achieve decorative or natural-looking results. Here's soft shading. The strokes are spaced out. About 1 centimeter long. I'm creating a small section. The needle protrusion will be 3 millimeters. Hold the machine at 90 degrees. Keep your hand loose. With very gentle scratching movements, we finish the stroke section. We move down and overlap about 50% of the treated area. We continue making strokes about 1 millimeter long, keeping them spaced out so it doesn't get too dense. These pigments are very opaque. You can work with the diluent. I mostly use a pendulum stroke. We're creating powder brows here. I'm starting to create the sketch. Moving on to the first pass, starting at the tail. The main emphasis will be right in this area. The eyebrow front and the top will be lighter and softer. We've finished the first pass. Here's the retention after the first pass. Now comes the second pass, a more accent-focused one. I'm using a pendulum stroke. I stroke more tightly toward the brow base in this section. And lighter, diagonal strokes will fade upward. I'll shape the front using a sunburst pattern, like this. On the other brow, we do the same. Fill in the color, add accents. The treatment is complete. Here is the result. I used the pigment flat white, and for shading the accent areas at the very end, I added Pepsi Cola.